Hey y'all, it's Miss B. You may be wondering why I'm laying on the floor in my camper. But if you just heard that beep, you can probably guess how annoying that is. And it is our carbon monoxide and propane gas alarm needs replaced. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's see if this is easy or not. First thing we gotta do is kill the main power. And then remove the old one. Alright, looks like we got two wires that need to be replaced. A red and a black. So that seems fairly easy because there's a red and a black on this one. So that works out good. All right, I got to go get some more wire nuts because these were clamped on. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got various sizes, and it looks like I can reuse this instead of putting a wire nut on, because I unclamped it a little bit and was able to get that out. So I'm going to do that again on this black side and then reconnect the new one. So I'm just basically undoing this clamp by making it circular again so I can get this out. There we go. All right, so there's the old one. Here is the new one. It's got a little end already pre-cut for me, so I just need to Now, let's see if that worked before I screw it back in. Oh, I unplugged the RV. Crap. As a backup. I got to go plug it back in. Be right back. Okay, now let's try that. All right. We got green, that's good. All right, looks good. Looks like I can put it all back in here. Remember, if you need help, call Miss B. We'll fix it our own damn selves. Disclaimer, when I put this back in there, it came apart. So I took off, I didn't want to bore you with me just putting it in the wall and screwing it back in, but I took off this clamp, I took off this plastic piece for the red because it came right apart when I put it in there, because you know why, right? It's always something. So now I am going to just use the wire nut with these two pieces. And now I'm going to stick it back in there and see if we get the green light so we know we're official or not. All right, you in there? By the way, that other noise was the refrigerator. When you kill the power and it's automated and goes from power to propane, it alerts you to check it. And so this is green and that is good. I'm going to give it just a second to reset like it did last time, and I'll go shut the refrigerator off. Okay, now we got our green light and we're looking good. Glad we tested that out and got back online to show you. Because if you still need help, call Miss B. We'll fix it our own damn selves. Twice.